The Ultra Skin Scrubber is a professional grade scrubber built to provide incredible results every time. The machine is super easy to use. Use the program button to cycle through the different settings that you can change. You can adjust the timer. There are 3 different skin scrubber frequency modes. This mode is the continuous mode meant for extractions and exfoliation. Notice the direction of the skin scrubber blade. This mode is the continuous mode for product penetration. The skin scrubber blade here is flat against the skin. The last mode is the pulse mode for product penetration. Finally, you can adjust the intensity level. We recommend always starting at a lower intensity and then raising according to client comfort. To start the scrubber, push the Start Pause button on the far right. If you want to turn the scrubber off and on from the handle, you can simply press this button on its side. Before using the skin scrubber, make sure to use a steamer on your client's skin so their pores can open up. Also, before using the skin scrubber, ensure that the treatment area is moist. Never use a skin scrubber on dry skin because this can lead to irritation and discomfort. An easy way to keep the skin moist is to keep warm water and a sponge nearby. With the blade down like this, you can exfoliate the skin and clean out the pores. If you want to move on to product penetration, switch the machine to one of the pulse settings. When doing product penetration, ensure that the blade is flat against your client's skin. When you're done with the unit, ensure that it's turned off. Thank you for your interest in the Ultra Skin Scrubber. If you would like to learn more about it, you can click the link on the top left corner of the video screen.